Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, LiveLoveCrochet. Today I want to show you a sneak peek for my next tutorial. So I've been working on a pair of boys shorts, 0 to 3 months old, and we have double crochet and single crochet. So in order to get the pattern on the single crochet, we work into the back stitch, and we have roll up legs just to make it look that extra bit cute. We have pockets on the side. This pocket on the side has a button, but I wasn't too sure, and we also have a buttonhole on the top of the pocket, just like that, but I wasn't too sure whether to do a button or not to do a button. So let me know what you guys think, button or no button. We have buttons on the top, and these shorts don't open at the top, so they just slide on and slide off. So the buttons are really for show, not to do up or anything. So then we have a bit of ribbon on the waistband here, just to tighten everything up at the top and make it look nice. And the back of the shorts just look like that. So cute, and it's a very good time to do them in the summer. It's getting quite warm now, so it would be really nice. Probably use a better yarn than that, probably cotton. Maybe I could get some of that for my tutorial. So I hope you like the sneak peek. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my tutorial. Bye.